Hi, this is Matt on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to learn how to make steak with spicy stuffed potato and collard greens with vinaigrette sauce. Okay, we're almost done with our potatoes here actually. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually fill the shells with the filling that we made. So let's just we'll do it with a spoon, and just kind of drop in little gobs of it. Try to fill every crevice we can, like so. And also try not to get any spilling out of the sides because, as always, presentation is very important. So we're just going to pile it in there. And it's okay if it's a little high and sticking out because that actually looks kind of cool. Put a little bit more over here. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to just turn that around. We'll work on this one here. Just kind of drop it in there. You don't have to smooth it out because I kind of like it that it's a little lumpy looking when it sticks out. Okay, so now that our shells are filled, we're just going to take a little bit of our cilantro and rosemary. Just kind of sprinkle it on the top. Okay, so now we're going to throw the potatoes back into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And just keep your eye on it because we want the actual filling to kind of cook and get brown.